Only thing you got is your word, I put that shit on my mama. Nah, you really just can't get comfy, gotta keep at it, buddy. Oh, I had this money, wasn't worried about nothing, that shit feel backwards to me. He ain't always getting high, what happened to him? Yeah, what happened to you? I'm the same I was, I'm just getting paid with a few more habits now. Oh, shit, here we go again. I'm on time and bitch, you don't know what time it is? Oh, okay. Oh, you got migraines? You wanna ride this shit? Oh, okay. Play like goddamn, you really want every flavor? Oh, okay. You want round in, but you wanna come crying, bitch? Oh, okay. Damn, it's getting hot in here. Take off all your clothes.